Alright, I'm going to go to the GT3 RS.
What?
Stickers.
We have to measure it up.
Yeah, I'm not. One finger there. See, that's a finger and a knuckle, so it needs to move that way. It's all precision engineering here, mate. It's about right there.
About right?
Bet you. Watch this.
Didn't you finger thing?
Yeah.
Bang on every time.
2 mil out. That's because I used alternative fingers.
Oh, is that a crease there?
No, Nathan, we don't deal in creases, we deal in solutions. Stop being horrible. Oh no! Put the wrong sticker on.
Where's that meant to go?
Like this.
Where's that one meant to go?
That's meant to be the wrong one.
What we could do with this is, if we do that, yeah, and I give you that, and you go that way, never happened.
We might have to replace it because if you just look.
Jake cut that out by hand.
See what I did, I put this one on just to like line it up. So then when I fit the proper one,
It'll be lined.
well no, because it's a different size, isn't it?
What's that nice thing in the corner, Duncan?
GT4.
GT4?
That's for a regular customer. It's his new baby. The vehicle's previously had full PPF on it, but for some reason the bumper and the bonnet was missing, so probably a damage, so we've just replaced it with our shiny extra. Very good PPF installation, however the film they've used isn't as good as the Expel. You can see it under here, but I'll show you better on camera hopefully outside. But it looks really orange peely and the gloss level is just nowhere near Expel.
Why are you making a blue silver?
Because, Nathan, it's for Coca-Cola. This one is Diet Cola.
It's already tinted, isn't it?
Yeah, we did it.
You're going to redo it?
Not happy with this window. So the rule is, if we can do it better, we're doing better.
Yeah.
Sure, I've seen this car before. Have you seen this car
Yeah,
before?
it's been here before, hasn't it?
Yeah, it has been here before. John, has this car been in before? No, okay. Just looks very similar to the one that was in a few Saturdays ago. No?
Problem is, you don't see a lot of faults until it's dry. Hence why we didn't see this.
Done. That's the car.
Side, bonnet, back bumper, other side. So I've got boot, AB pillars, front bumper, done. Last one. New Diet Coke. Completed it, mate.
So, I can't show you the difference in the gloss between the new and the old PPF because it's raining outside. And I've tried doing it with this light, but it doesn't show. What I can show you is the benefits of PPF. So this panel's obviously been protected. You can see all these are chips in the PPF. That would be chips in the paint if it wasn't PPF. You might be able to see a certain difference, like the gloss level in this is a lot different to this. Without PPF, this car would be in an absolutely awful condition. So yeah, the PPF does chip. The idea of the PPF is to protect the paint below, so we can just pull that off and replace it.
What's going on?
Chain won't engage because you got to do it manually to get it all the way up so the truck can get out to where our AJ from Alston can climb anything, can't we?
You okay?
I'm all good.
Is that safe?
Yeah. Just make sure you've got 3 points of contact at all times.
What's that?
That's an RS6. That's in for full wrap. I think we'll be starting that. That SPR's going today, so we're jumping on that straight away. We have only done little bits on this. This vehicle's in for front end PPF not so long ago. We've just changed it up a little bit. So we've added the GT3 RS graphics on the side. Porsche decal here. It was missing this, so we've added the GT3 RS there. We fitted the bonnet badges that was missing. So time to get it back.
Anything else? You cars pink?
Oh, come with me. Come with me. We're settling for debate. So this is my car, my baby, right? All the lads in the workshop rip me saying that it's pink,
right? So let us know in the comments what colour this car. The purists, the enthusiasts out there will know. All right?
Okay.
It's not pink.
What is it?
Beautiful. That's what it is.
Yes, what are you looking at me like that for?
Because I was
Man,
expecting
you-
you to comment about hairline, pink M3, or
Have you showed him your pink M3?
yeah,
Okay, cool. It's so
Yeah.
aggressive.
red.
It's not.
Emollient red. Is that right?
Watch Ashley, boy. She's nervous.
So I'm doing this as a vlog style because it's Saturday again. We're handing the vehicle over, and Nathan doesn't work Saturdays, and he hasn't managed to get the finishing shots. So we've got this absolutely stunning Toyota Yaris GR in with us. We've done loads of them, but this vehicle has had so much done. I just thought I'd show this one specially. It looks absolutely incredible. We've done extensive single stage machine polish and all the other prep we do, and it's had full body PPF. We've removed the original wrap from the roof. We've prepped it, we've machine polished it, and then we've installed Expel PPF on there to protect it. This vehicle's also had a 4mm clear security film fitted to the inside of the window, front and side, to protect from smash and grab incidences. We've had the shorter number plates, and with the shorter number plates we've also fit these little blanks over the holes. Customer supplied them. We've installed the Maxton design rear spoiler. We've also then done full ceramic coating on the PPF, the glass, the wheels and the brake calipers. I think that's it. We fitted the rally flaps, mud flaps front and rear, which just give the vehicle a wider stance and looks really cool. So absolutely love this. That roof I'd say the roof and the spoiler makes such a difference. Look at that, absolutely stunning. So gentleman's in reception now. We're just going to hand the vehicle over. Really lovely guy, and it's the first time he's got to drive his car, so really excited to be able to do this for him.
How many screws does it take to put Range Rover back together?
Just one, Nate. Just one, and he's nearly done. We've just got number plates, badges, another half an hour. She'll be ready for you to take some pretty pictures.
I like it. Layer cake vibes, Nate. Layer cake vibes.
That's a strong look, that is.
It is a strong one. It looks good though.
It looks nice with all the black bits.
Black bits calm it down a bit.
It's a cool car.
So we are at the reveal of the new Range Rover Sport over at Ludlow Schuker's Land Rover. They've been kind enough to invite us here, so we're just talking to customers, introducing a lot of them to paint protection film and vehicle wrapping and things like that. We're just on hand to answer any questions that people might have. I'm going to go and look at the Range Rover Sport now.
I do like
Is
it.
yours the model before this?
Yeah.
Is there much difference?
Yeah, quite a bit. So, things I like, this is all higher, this is nice, all the centre console, screen's nice, that's flat screen, it's got this weird fabric on the doors, obviously you could probably get rid of that. The electric seat controls for the first time on the door panel, not on the seats like they usually are. It's got the new Land Rover camera instead of the mirror. I like the centre console's my favourite bit. Do you know what I don't like? I don't like the size of this. Why is that so big? No need for that to be so big. So that's all one big piece of glass. That's cool. So that's the only gloss black plastic bit that we'd have to PPF on that because they scratch really bad. I like the back. That's all nice. What do you think this is? I don't know. Yeah, so the camera is in one of them. It's the hybrid one, so you plug it in that side and then this side's for fuel. So this is the petrol one. I don't like the seat things being on the door. But that's only because I'm used to them, there's no harm, is there? I love these chrome finishes. This is cool. This is really cool. That is really, really nice. And I do like the fabric, but I just don't want it on my Range Rover. I wouldn't have chose this colour as a
as one to show new customers.